Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to drift correctly in Emergency Response Liberty County. Now you might be going, what do you mean drift correctly? You just hold shift and turn. However, there's another method that's basically similar, but it's just makes you drift so much nicer, so much easier. And yeah, I'm going to get right into it, not going to waste any more of your time. Let's get started. So I'm here in Emergency Response Liberty County, right by the garage. I'm going to make my way down to the farm. Now, as I'm going down, I'm going to show you two things. So there's the 180 and then there's the 90 degrees. I'm going to show you the 90 degrees first and then the 180. Both are similar in concept except slightly different. So actually, you kind of saw it right there. That was kind of the drift I'm going to show you. But I'm going to show you it right here. Basically, the trick here is to drift is to start holding shift right before you're about to turn, and then right when you hold left, you unshift. So I want to go at a pretty fast speed. I'm gonna start drifting and then turn, and then right as I'm about to turn, I stop holding shift. I'm gonna show you it one more time here if possible. Her holding, and then I let go actually about shift right here, and then I started going again. So the nice thing about this method is when you're turning, it doesn't make you completely stop, which happens when you're holding shift. I'll see if I can do it one more time. I'm going to go back up here. I'm going to quickly turn around. Probably normally would do the 180 trick, but I'm going to wait to show you that. And then hold shift a bit and then turn. Sometimes you can tap it a bit, maybe like once or twice, and then just go around the corner, and yeah, you remove the overturn factor and then the stop factor, so it makes drifting so much easier. I'm gonna give you one more quick example over here. I'm gonna drift over here into the edge over here. I'm gonna hold shift for a second and then just turn. Now that time I did overturn. It's just something that happens sometimes. You can't really do much about it because it really just depends on your lag that you have. I'll show it one more time here actually. There you go. See, that was actually a pretty good drift. So now I'm going to show you the second method, which is the 180 drift. So this is a fairly similar concept, but all you have to do is just tap shift instead of holding it for a second. So I'm going to go into the parking lot, go around to the side, and just start tapping shift. That time I mess it up actually quite a lot. I completely ruined that. Try to see if I can do it one more time here. Yeah, that was a bit better, but sometimes just you can hit something and it can get a bit annoying. There, that was a bit better. And then you just do a quick 180. Now, if you do hold it, that also sometimes works, but sometimes you might have the issue where it just delays the drifting, which does happen. Sometimes it's a bit annoying. I'll show you it one more time. But see, there, you don't really turn all the way, because with the shifting, it stops you fairly quick. With the tapping, it doesn't stop you quickly because it only does the drifting in certain increments. But yeah, this is basically it. It's just a quick, easy method to drift. I'll show you this turn. There you go. That's the quick 180. I like combining sometimes, usually a bit of it. It's like tapping it a bit in the beginning to slow me down, and then to start turning. And then the second method, like I said, is just tapping it like that. Anyways, thank you guys for watching this video. Remember to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. See ya!